Good morning, good afternoon or good evening or whatever time you're watching this video. अब सोचो एक डिग्री जो आपको कंसल्टिंग, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट और डेटा साइंस तीनों के एलिजिबल बनाती है. Sounds crazy, right? Welcome to MBA in Business Analytics. Back then, Business Analytics was barely on the radar. 5 साल पहले भी लोग कहते हैं और कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, चलो यही कर लो. But now this specialization has turned into one of the most in-demand MBA tracks. Companies across industries are actively hunting for people with analytics skills set. और इसी वजह से आज के टाइम पे top 20 schools, including major IIMs, have introduced it in their curriculum. Recruiters की डिमांड इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि कॉलेज couldn't ignore it anymore. The beauty is you can pursue it in any format. ऑफलाइन मोड में ऑप्शंस हैं जैसे IIM बैंगलोर का PGP in Business Analytics, एक फुल टाइम रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम. हाइब्रिड मोड में भी ऑप्शंस हैं लाइक ISBs, एडवांस मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम इन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स जिसमें कुछ क्लासेस ऑनलाइन होती हैं और कुछ ऑन कैंपस. और अगर आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो या फ्लेक्सिबल लर्निंग चाहते हो, देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेशंस एंड डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम ऑफर्ड बाय टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट इंक्लूडिंग IIM themselves. Do contact me for more information. सोचा था डेटा सिर्फ IIT वालों का काम होता है, not anymore. अब MBA grads भी data driven decisions makers बन रहे हैं. In this video, we'll explore exact curriculum you'll study and how it differs from a general MBA. Roles and salary you can expect after graduation. Now let's do the curriculum breakdown. Let's take IIM Bangalore's PGP BA program as an example. First year, common subjects like marketing, finance, operations, like basically the foundation every MBA student gets in term 3. And in term 3, some data specific topics. Second year onwards, this is where the magic happens. Specialized course like natural language processing, artificial intelligence, deep learning, multivariate data analysis, optimization, all tailored for analytic roles. They also have field electives. यहाँ आपको business analytics से related courses ही choose करने होंगे. Free electives on the other hand allow you to pick any MBA related subject, public policy, international business, etc. If we see an online one-year program, the curriculum might include data management, programming for analytics, marketing management, optimization. So essentially, you build core business skills plus specialized analytics skills. लेकिन एक बात याद रखो, अगर आपको स्टैटिस्टिक्स पसंद नहीं है तो ये स्पेशलाइजेशन टॉर्चर लग सकती है. Yes, this is important. If you hate numbers, data or statistics, you won't enjoy the work later. Neutral opinion is fine, but complete dislike, not the right choice for you. Background doesn't matter, engineering हो या non-engineer, you can pursue it. But इतना जरूरी है कि आपको डेटा से काम करना acceptable लगे. Let's talk about who should consider it. Those who enjoy problem solving with numbers, or people okay with learning data tools and statistical methods. Now, where to find this program? Compare multiple government-approved university like Amity हो गया, some different IIMs हो गया, Manipal हो गया, NMIMS हो गया. You must have heard of it all. Do contact me for more information in the university things. Now let's talk about career roles after MBA in Business Analytics. And here's where it gets exciting. You won't just be stuck with niche analytics profiles like typical MBA roles. Consulting, marketing, and general management are still open to you, but there are exclusive roles where your specialization gives you an edge. Now it's business analyst and data analyst. Let's talk about data analyst. They handle data cleaning, management, reporting to teams. And on the other hand, business analytics go beyond, draw insights from data, recommend improvements for business outcomes, and many more. Now, MBA grads usually get the business analyst title. Data science roles. Now, let's talk about data science role. More technical, but MBA grads here focus on business requirements. You'll define models and use them for predictions. Technical teams handle heavy coding. Product analysis. What do product analysts do? Analyze all data behind a product, track user behavior, suggest changes to improve engagement and revenue. These roles exist across industry, FMCG, consulting, tech, e-commerce, because every company today runs on data. Let's talk about salary insights from top 20 B schools. Business Analytics MBA grads earn usually 20 to 25 LPA starting package. अब IIM Bangalore की PGP BA average salary गई थी 20 to 26 LPA. और IIM के अलावा colleges की बात करें, data और business analyst earn 8 to 12 LPA starting, and data science role usually goes around 15 to 16 LPA starting. Specialization plus experience is equals to fast growth. Example, 15 to 20 LPA starting can grow to 50 LPA plus in 5 years if you become a domain expert. So in short, if you want a career जहाँ business और data का perfect combo हो and you're ready to think in numbers, MBA in Business Analytics can be your golden ticket. So choose your career wisely. All the very best for your careers. Do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. And if you have any doubt regarding your video or if I have missed out something, do comment down below. Press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading any video. Hope this gives you a complete clarity on whether the specialization is for you or not. Thank you. Bye-bye.